Noah Thomas Bradshaw, the namesake of Noah Thomas Evans, the builder of the Winnie Estelle, and several others. We're here to see all the events taking place around the Winnie Estelle. The work you folks are doing is absolutely amazing. It's beyond belief, because it's something you couldn't believe sitting home in a living room looking on the TV. You wouldn't believe the size of the scope of the effort you're putting into this thing. It's amazing. I love it. That we're keeping the Winnie alive, and my mother and my Aunt Winnie would love it too. When we discovered it was in Belize, I didn't know where Belize was, but we said we're going. We were there for a week, which was great. We got to meet the captain and spend a lot of time on the boat, and he took us out and touring, riding, showing how he does all the snorkeling and the things he was doing with the Winnie at that time. But we sit there, and after a few of his wonderful cocktails, came up with the idea that boat needed to leave Belize because he was going to retire. He was getting too old and he was getting ill. He said, and she's wood, and she won't last here because everything here's fiberglass and somebody's got to maintain it. And we sit and talked. I said, I believe I know where she belongs, and that's right here in the Chesapeake Bay Maritime Museum. Then we got the word that it was bought and donated to the museum. I was so excited I couldn't stand it, because that was like, it came true. The dream that we talked about while we were sitting in Belize, and it was good to see. My parents, of course, had passed on at that time, but all of us in the family are still excited about it, because it's our heritage, it's who we are. And this kind of event brings us together. It's part of the glue, I guess, that holds us all together. Anything to do with the water, and of course Smith Island. It's where the family started from, and that's where all the boats came from. So it's like taking the spirit of the Winnie and our family and the excitement, just carrying it on. And that's something that I'll always, take to the grave with me. It's exciting to know other people care.